Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Success Factors IT Help Desk, and here I'm your friend Ashish Upadhyay. So I want to tell you today something about which is very important, and today's video is on like how to engage with the US customer, like a US client. लाइक आप यूएस कस्टमर और क्लाइंट से कैसे इंगेज करेंगे, उसके लिए कौन से व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्किल्स विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू टॉक विद ए यूएस कस्टमर. सो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट लेट थिंक अबाउट इफ़ यू हैव बीन सेलेक्टेड. आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया है किसी आईटी इंडस्ट्री में या फिर एमएनसी में, और समझ लीजिए कि जैसे एडोब में योर प्रोजेक्ट इज़ एडोब and you have to work for a Adobe product and you're working for a teleperformance. Just imagine you are working for teleperformance. आप teleperformance में काम करते हैं और आपके पास Adobe है वो उसका प्रोजेक्ट है, मीन्स उसके लिए आपको उनके क्लाइंट्स के लिए आपको वर्क करना है. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टूल्स विल बी यूज्ड, कौन से टूल यूज्ड होंगे Adobe में, एंड there will be an engaging tool, like when you are going to engage with the customer. So the engaging tool will help you to do interaction with the customer, with the US customer, like client on which you are giving support to. So उसमें एक tool है सबसे important, which is live engage, which is Jarvis. Live engage tool, which is also known as Jarvis. So this is used for interaction with the US client. Like you have to you are interacting with a customer like through the voice or by chat. You are on a voice call and giving support to the client, your customer, and on the project we are working on, in example XYZ MNC, any MNC company, and their client is Adobe. Just imagine. So because I'm telling you about Adobe, because I was the part of Adobe, it's a very big company in the US. It's an MNC, and you might be heard about the Adobe product, which is very famous. Anyone have used the Adobe product? Adobe PDF Maker, Adobe. It was just like we always use Adobe to open the PDF file, to edit the PDF file, and Adobe Flash Maker and Adobe plugins. So in the previous years, in the past, everyone used to open their PDF files from Adobe, I think. So Adobe was the most important, it's INC company who have provided their products. So let me talk about Adobe product today. So Adobe is providing. So as a part of a technical support or a technical support analyst or help desk analyst, so you have to deal with the US customer or the client, international client mostly, under the given SLA time and under the SLA policy and procedures from your client side. So what you have to do in the starting, like how you have to start a call with a customer, with your US customer you're talking with. आप अगर US कस्टमर से बात कर रहे हैं तो आपको स्टार्टिंग कैसे करनी है उस चीज़ में तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि आपको फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन इज़ द लास्ट इंटरेक्शन ऑलवेज. इफ़ यू आर ऑन अ कॉल विद अ कस्टमर, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग अ कॉल, इट्स एन, और इफ़ यू आर ऑन चैट, if you are employee with a backend or chat, if you are a voice employee, you are on a voice team or a chat ended team. So how to interact with the customer? So what you have to do at first, the first thing will be predefined greetings. So predefined greetings will be like effective first response that has to be given under 3 minutes of time. So under 3 minutes of time you have to give effective first response, which is a predefined greetings, like thank you for calling Adobe support, my name is Ashish, how can I help you today, or thank you for contacting Adobe support, how can I help you today. So this is predefined greetings, right? And second part will be issue acknowledgement. Like once you will give the predefined greetings, आपने एक बार कस्टमर से पूछ लिया, you have asked him, आप ग्रीटिंग्स दे दी, आपने इफेक्टिव आपने रिस्पॉन्ड कर दिया कस्टमर की क्वेरी के लिए. तो सेकेंड थिंग विल बी इशू एक्नॉलेजमेंट, टू एक्नॉलेज द इशू. मतलब आपको इशू की जानकारी है, कस्टमर ने आपको पहले ही पूछा. इफ़ यू आर इन चैट, तो कस्टमर आस्क दैट, I have a problem with my Wi-Fi connection. I am unable to connect my Wi-Fi with my laptop and several other devices. So how to fix it? So this is the customer question. While and ये आपको कहाँ पे शो होगा? ये शो होगा आपको जो आपका tool है, which is live engage on the same. It is going to be shown on the screen and आपको issue acknowledge करना है. As I can understand, you are unable to connect your Wi-Fi with your laptop and with other devices. Am I correct? Or am I right? So this is issue acknowledgement. So this is the second part, second rule. So customer will say yes, right. So what is the next thing? What is the third thing? So third thing will be paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means you have to acknowledge the thing. So as I'm able to understand, you are not able, you have to ask from the customer, as I'm able to understand, you are not able to connect your Wi-Fi with your laptop and with several other devices. Am I right? So customer will say yes. So I'm going to tell you about quality analysts. So what is quality analyst while engaging with a customer online? So quality analyst means like there are some of the rules behind that. Like customer will come with a problem. Customer will always come with a problem on your ticketing tool. There's a ticketing tool. So you are getting incidents. These incidents you have to resolve and the given frame, which is under SLA, which is service level agreement, in a timely manner. So आपको जो भी इंसिडेंट्स आ रहे हैं, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स, इश्यूज, क्वेरीज आ रही है कस्टमर की, वो आपको टाइमली मैनर में कंप्लीट करनी है अंडर गिवन SLA, विच इज लाइक आपके क्लाइंट ने ऐसे SLA दिया है, सर्विस लेवल एग्रीमेंट में मेंशन किया है, यू हैव टू रिजॉल्व द सेम प्रॉब्लम इन 15 minutes of time. This is the maximum time you can take. Just take an example. So this is the SLA thing. And so इसमें आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें यूज़ करनी है while doing interaction with the customer, with the international customer, while working in an IT sector or IT help desk role, like an IT help desk analyst or IT help desk engineer, or it can be technical support advisor. So these are the roles which you can play in a technical field while working for your client in an MNC. तो ये इन 15 minutes के अंदर आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें कवर करनी होंगी कस्टमर के साथ. सो आई विल टेल यू वन बाय वन. द फर्स्ट थिंग विल बी प्री डिफाइंड ग्रीटिंग्स. कस्टमर इज कमिंग विद अ प्रॉब्लम एंड यू कैन सी दैट प्रॉब्लम ऑन योर स्क्रीन. आपका लाइव एंगेज जो है वो आपका टिकटिंग टूल है. सो आपको उसमें शो हो रहा है दिस इज द इंसिडेंट और a query, it's a request customer is coming with. According to that, you have to answer in the given time. So customers, you already know, like this is the problem, and how you can start. The first point will be predefined greetings. So in predefined greetings, that has to be done with EFR, effective first response, in 3 minutes of given time. When the customer ने क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है तो 3 मिनट के अंदर आपको उसको पूरा करना है कैसे भी. So this is EFR. Otherwise it will be fatal. That will be fatal, like you didn't responded with the customer query at the same time given SLA. These are the aspects which has to be remembered all the time while working within an IT industry or in MNC. So there are some rules and regulations. So as I was talking about the quality analyst, right? In quality analyst, the first part will be it will be predefined greetings. Predefined greetings you have given. अगर जब आपने predefined greetings दे दी हैं कस्टमर को तो आपको second part will be issue acknowledgement. And in a given 3 minutes of time you have given the predefined greetings. You have asked, thank you for calling Adobe support. This is Chris. How can I help you today? So just an example, thank you for calling Adobe support, or thank you for calling Adobe support help desk. Thank you for contacting Adobe help desk. So Adobe is a client. Just example, Adobe is your client and you're working for Teleperformance. You're working for Teleperformance and Adobe is your client. So you have to start interaction with the customer like this. So once you have given the predefined greetings under SLA time, which is 3 minutes. 3 मिनट में आपने SLA टाइम के अनुसार अपना predefined greetings दे दी हैं. So second part will be issue acknowledgement. So what will be in issue acknowledgement? कस्टमर की प्रॉब्लम आपको पहले से पता है. दिस इज कस्टमर इंसिडेंट के साथ आया है या कस्टमर आपका एक रिक्वेस्ट लेके आया है. सो इंसिडेंट आर डिफरेंट एंड रिक्वेस्ट आर डिफरेंट. सो इंसिडेंट्स अगर कस्टमर लेके आया है और या रिक्वेस्ट लेके आया है, सो यू हैव टू आस्क देम, एज आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू ओपन दिस पर्टिकुलर फाइल. Please correct me if I am wrong. So this is the issue acknowledgement thing. Customer will say yes. So customer will say yes, this is the same problem. So this is the issue acknowledgement. And third part will be probing question. Probing. So you have to probe the customer. Probe that like so which computer you have or on which file you were working that time when this same problem was happened, and like these things. So you have to probe the customer and ask him about, like, are you signed in with the correct account? Are you signed in with the correct email ID or with your with the same correct user ID and password? So probe the customer like that and ask him the questions about like how it can help the problem fixed. So third part will be account verification. So for this is the third part. Account where you have to verify the customer account. Like you have to verify that customer is signed in with the correct account information, with the correct login ID and password, the email ID. When मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जैसे Adobe कस्टमर है, Adobe आपका क्लाइंट है और आप you are working for Adobe. So what happened? In Adobe, the customer will get a email ID and a password. उसको एक email ID और password मिलेगा sign in, login करने के लिए Adobe account में for using services. अगर वो गलत email ID से signed in होगा, so this is a fatal with the activation. So activation, the signed in problem is the main cause कि customer अपनी services use नहीं कर पा रहा, वो edit नहीं कर पा रहा while using this product, any kind of Adobe product, not able to use that because he is not signed in with the correct email ID or with his account. So there are some licenses the customer purchase करता है online, like there's an individual license, there will be Teams license. Like individual means if a customer using that thing singly, individual, and Teams means there's a small group or institution, or it's a small group of a company, it's a Teams, or a small business. So they are different kind of licenses. So so customer अगर signed in correct नहीं है तो उसको बोलिए कि please sign in with your correct account, and you please check that if you are able to log in again and you are able to use your product with the service which you require. So उसको ये बोलो एक बार, अगर फिर भी नहीं होता है, it doesn't help if the customer is already signed in with the correct account, with the correct Adobe account. Like he is a member of he have taken a subscription for Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is a product of Adobe, and there are licenses to purchase. We have to purchase. Customer have to purchase this product license to use the services with Adobe, you know, for his problems, any kind of work he want or she want to do. So the next thing, in account verification, you have to ask the customer, ask him, so before I proceed to check, may I have your email address to fetch the account details? So you have to ask from the customer about his email address, like registered email address with Adobe, with the product the customer is using. So you have to ask same thing from him. So after a while you can tell them, so what I got at my end, your email address is this one, www.xyz.com, which is registered with Adobe, with your Adobe account. Am I correct? So customer will say, yeah, this is my email which is registered with Adobe account, and I'm using this email and my account from past 2 years. And you can also ask the customer, like, can you please confirm me with your first and last name on your account? So if the customer say Jack Miller, hi, I'm Jack Miller, so you have to say, thank you for confirming with your name, Jack, like that, you know.